My name is Emily. I am the niece of the Red Bear Explorer, and I am at the Creative Discovery Museum. I'm excited for doing the sandbox, doing the kinetic sand, and playing on the playground. I want to go to the sandbox.
There's a science area where kids can dig for fossils and do dinosaur-related activities. It's a fun way to get them thinking like little scientists.
A dinosaur wearing a hat.
One of the coolest features at the Creative Discovery Museum is the Riverplay exhibit. It's this massive 2-story structure with water play areas, a riverboat section for toddlers, a swinging bridge, lookout station, and even a big tunnel slide.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do some of water. So.
This is the sound of someone splashing in the water. The umbrella was originally invented to protect people from the sun and not the rain.
Now I'm going down the slide. Okay, here I am. Where? And I'm gonna go back to my family.
Hey everyone, my niece Emery is so excited to show you the Creative Discovery Museum. If you've enjoyed this, please leave some support for her, saying either go Emery or thanks for showing us this. Actually, I think everyone should just spam the comments and leave something for her. And what I'll do is I'll show it to her and she'll get really excited to see all the support that she's getting from you.
Ballwood. It's Ballwood?
I really liked the India exhibit. I've never been to India, so it was cool to get a feel for the culture through music, food, and even seeing what a traditional school might look like. All right, so Emery,
Yeah.
You want to play a game and see where I'm going to be going on one of my next couple trips?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we need to find Europe.
Yeah.
You're looking at America. Let's spin it over here. So on my next trip, Emery,
Oh, no, that's Russia.
that's Russia, yeah. So I'm going to be going right down here to Athens, Greece in just a couple weeks. So I'm going to go all the way from here to there. Then I'm going to Dubai.
Dubai.
Yep, and Dubai it's right here in the Middle East.
Oh,
Then I'm going to go to China. Do you know where China is?
China.
Yeah, China's this big country right here. And
That's
after that, I'm going to go to South Korea, which is right there. And I'm going to make videos of all those places I'm going to.
Yay.
Are you gonna watch them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome. And hopefully everyone else will make sure to subscribe so you can watch my videos when I travel around the world as well. There's a dedicated STEM zone where kids can dive into hands-on activities related to engineering, coding, robotics, and technology. It's designed to spark curiosity and help them build real-world problem-solving skills in a fun, interactive way.
Higher. Higher. Got it!
So I'm excited to share that I am starting a sign up where I'm going to be sending out a monthly newsletter to people that are on that list. What that newsletter is going to include is travel tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. I'm going to be sharing about where I've been going. I'm probably going to have some exclusive footage where I show behind the scenes or footage specifically for this group. And I'm going to even have some giveaways as well. So make sure to sign up to be on that list. I'll make sure that there's a link in the section below where you can just click it and fill out to sign up.
Okay, so I'm going over to the play set, and I'm going to be climbing up next.
Up on the roof, they've got the Fun Factory, which is an outdoor space they added in 2005. It's got unique activities and a pretty awesome view of Chattanooga.
Okay, so now I'm in a place that's, whatever. And now you can see the whole entire view. There's where I was. I went up these stairs, and I'm up here.
The museum does a great job encouraging creativity with its art and music zones where kids can make their own art and try out instruments from around the world.
If you like these videos, make sure to, I forgot the ending part.
If you like this video, make sure to watch one of these others.
Okay. If you like these videos, make sure to watch one of these others.